A frightening rail bridge collapse has been caught on camera, and that because of constant rainfall amid the flooding as well. The part of the bridge base gives way. This is the Delhi-Katra rail route, and that appears to have a base of the railway bridge base over the Chakki River. At Dhangu on the Delhi-Katra railway has collapsed due to the floods in the river. But remember, while this is concerning, this is a part of the railway bridge. Thousands of passengers passing over the bridge with the train that was en route as well. And then the bridge collapsed. Thankfully, we are told that no incident right now has taken place, but this is what one can only imagine as a nightmare that has happened, and we'll try and get more details on what exactly happened. Look at that. Kamaljeet Sandhu is joining us right now. Kamaljeet, look at that, there is a train passing through as the collapse of the base of the bridge is happening. Where exactly is this place? What are you picking up? This is Kangra, I correct myself, not Katra. Just tell me more about what part of this bridge is trying to a certain location exactly.
This is Dhangu in Kangra, which is near Pathankot, and what you see is that Khud area itself where the river is flowing. And remember, there has been a red alert which has gone on to several of the districts in Himachal today. The river has been overflowing, but because of this, what we've seen is that the entire area has become really soft, especially the area of sand. And even as the train moves fast, this is a broad gauge line because a lot of people associate the toy train which goes through that area, but that's not it. This is a broad gauge, and this is what we've been told is the train towards Delhi Jammu, which goes via Pathankot, and this is where what we can see via the visuals itself. Remember, this is exclusively accessed by India Today and the Aaj Tak group, and what we can show you is that this is a precarious place bridge, and remember, a portion of the sand now caving in, making the bridge unstable even as the passenger train quickly really moves towards its destination. But this is God's grace really that this is a narrow escape, not just for thousands of passengers aboard that train, but also for the Railway Ministry. Remember, the Parliament is in session.